In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly access and change charts on Tradingview. Whether you're switching between stocks, cryptocurrencies, or any other financial instruments, Tradingview offers a seamless interface for your charting needs. So, let's dive right in and see how it all works. First, we'll start by navigating to the website tradingview.com. This platform is widely known for its robust trading tools and highly customizable charts. Once you arrive on the homepage, you'll want to focus on accessing your primary tool, the chart. You can do this by moving your cursor to the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in is the one labeled Chart. Simply click on this, and it will take you to the charting interface. Now, you're in the area where the magic happens. What you see is a detailed chart view that lets you analyze a specific financial instrument. But what if you want to look at a different stock or crypto asset? That's easy to manage. Look towards the upper left corner of your screen, where you'll notice a field displaying the current ticker symbol. This is the identification code for the asset that is currently shown. To change it, click on this symbol field. It's highlighted to help you easily locate it. Once you've clicked on the ticker symbol field, you're all set to choose the new asset you want to examine. Simply type in the ticker symbol for the stock, forex pair, cryptocurrency, or any other financial instrument you are interested in. For instance, if you want to pull up Apple Inc.'s stock chart, you would type AAPL. Or, if you're interested in Bitcoin paired with the US dollar, BTCUSD would be your go-to symbol. This is an incredibly flexible tool that allows you to quickly navigate through thousands of different financial products. After typing in your desired ticker symbol, press Enter. As soon as you do this, Tradingview will load a fresh chart corresponding to the symbol you've just entered. The chart is newly generated, meaning it reflects the most up-to-date data available. This is particularly beneficial for traders and investors aiming to stay on top of market movements in real time. With these steps, you can easily switch between different charts on Tradingview, giving you the opportunity to analyze a vast array of markets right from your device. Thanks to Tradingview's user-friendly interface, monitoring and comparing multiple assets is efficient and streamlined. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious beginner, mastering this simple task will certainly enhance your effectiveness, allowing you to focus more on what's most important, making informed, decisive trades. So next time you're on Tradingview, remember these easy steps to seamlessly access any chart you need. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you're fully equipped to explore a universe of financial data effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and happy charting.